In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Google Chrome login problem. If you're having login issues to your Google Chrome account, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in these situations is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device, and look for new updates available. If you do see new updates, make sure you tap on the update button. Now, if this is not the case for you and if the first step does not work, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the cache of the app. So just tap and hold the Chrome browser, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option that you'll be able to see. Once you complete this second step again, try to see if now the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to restart your device. This is likely causing due to your phone glitches. So once you restart your device or restart your phone, this issue should be fixed. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.